Right, so this is my little electric treasure trove. As you can see, everything's stored under here, from Oakley's, tyre inflator, puncture repair. I've got the OBD reader for the Transit Custom that it's in. What else have I got down there? I've got spray bars, I've got gloves, I've got headache tablets, I've got Gaviscon, I've got everything under there. Anyway, right, so you've got 210 amp hour batteries, and they are charged by the split charge relay there when the vehicle's running. And I've also got an onboard charger, which is powered here by the caravan plug. So that just gets plugged in, and that feeds this triple bank here, which feeds a heater and the charger on board when needed. So like I say, I've got 210 amp hour batteries. They're charged by that. So the main output comes off the battery bank. It goes through a it's basically a 50 amp switch, so anything goes wrong that clicks out immediately and everything's dead. It feeds into a fuse bank, and that sends the power across into the control board up there. But the only difference from that is the actual reel has its own feed directly off there, which is protected by the 50 amp switch, 50 amp breaker, and its own big fuse down there. So then that feeds into this. These have got, that feeds, I think it's this third one, so I'll just show you that third one. Oh, second one, sorry. So second one, these are level indicators for the tanks. So this is the main water tank, the 800 litre, and this is the 100 litre chemical tank. So you get your main switch here, so that feeds directly from the fuse board. That's the master switch that feeds this, and then that distributes power to these. So you've got I think it's a V11 controller, which has got a one-shot remote for the chemical tank. So I've got a one-shot remote for the chemical tank, and I've got a WPF link for my main water. So obviously that turns on there, and you've got the chemical tank there. Oh, let's turn that back down. I normally run that at 30, it gives a nice flow. So let's turn that off. Right, so as you can see up here, it gives an indicator as to what our current volt is. And that's pretty much the electrical system.